with dear sweetie. Hey sweetie, we love baby.
Hey guys, oh my god, it's 5. What? I've been home for like 2 minutes. What are you talking about? It's 5, girl. Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. If this is your first time here, hey girl, hey boy, hey, I'm not this crazy, I promise you, okay? I'm just, you know, it's the time of the month, everybody be acting crazy, I don't know. But yeah, so I want to redo my wardrobe. Like, I want to organize things. I just want to do the whole thing. I need to clean it out because I want to go through my clothes and take out the stuff that's no longer serving me, child. So yeah, so I want so I want to do that in this video because I feel like it's going to be a lot. I was going to do a TikTok about it because we're about to be in a full-time content creator. I was going to do a TikTok about it, but I'm like, it might be too much, and plus I would just like to talk to you guys through it. So I'll be doing the most, I promise. It's my birthday in less than a month, so yeah. Girl, I'm playing. I'm serious actually, but yeah. So I just want to do that. I bought, let me show y'all. So if I show you guys the original situation of this wardrobe, you'd probably just die. Today I bought hangers. So I have a set of 12 in there already, but I needed to hang more clothes, so I just got me, you know, like another set. Actually, it's not that bad. Okay, like I wish I was playing, but it's not that. Let me show you guys. It's not that bad. So I have these ones here, but you guys, I never wear them at all. So it's like, why are they hanging? I don't know. So I want to switch, and then I have all these ones that I actually do wear but are here, and I have clothes down at the bottom, so I never get to them. So it's like I just want to put up more clothes. And also the hangers are not the same, but they're not that different. So this is chaos that I need to sort, obviously, but you see they're not the same. But that was the only reason I bought it. If it was too different, I wouldn't have gotten it. But yeah, so there's this situation. So I need to put all these, maybe not all of them, but like the ones I don't wear at all, in my box. I need to sort the clothes out here and move here. You see all those perfume bottles? See everything there? Empty. Why they're there, I don't know. And I need to take out the old for the new. But will I hear one? No. So I need to sort that out. Then arrange stuff here. Then I want to make this drawer, this one here, my, look at me, my loungewear. Yeah, my loungewear drawer. So like my PJs, you know, like bonnets and stuff, yeah, that kind of stuff. Then there's this random ass, guys, this drawer is so freaking random. Like it's my everything drawer. I want to make this the drawer for my gym clothes because we're going to the gym. So I want to make this the drawer for my gym clothes. And then you see this last one. Are you ready? I think it looks organized, Abby. You see all these things here? I don't even know why they're here. I have empty containers. I've bought this power bank for over a year. Tell me why this thing's still here. I do not know. See this cream? Something that will soon finish. I don't know. I do not know. So it's like, see this perfume. You see this perfume? Just help me, oh, help me. You see this perfume? See. Finished! Why it is here, I do not know. So it's stuff like that. I don't know why I like hoarding packages. I don't know. Well, So I want to make this an organized random things drawer. Yeah. Therefore here, this face scares me. I'm afraid to bring out these things. I said what's here. I might find a dead body if I'm not careful. Sorry. If I'm not careful. But here just like random stuff. Or down here. Just like random stuff. It has bags and packages and stuff like that. Then here has like my iron, packing for my business, and new clothes that I bought that I'm waiting to sort this out before I put them, if that makes sense. So this is what we got going on. Let me give you guys some b-roll. Hey guys, so you guys are on the taller tripod right now. So you guys, the movie I'm watching, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. I do like movie reviews on my stories. Anyways, I just finished watching an episode right now. You guys, time moves quickly. I checked this time the first time I think I was vlogging. It was 5:01. Why is it 5:39? Where did the day go? Rah! Anyways, I'm about to change into something comfier. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now that we're into something a bit more chill, I'm going to start. Can you guys see? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to start by taking all this out of here so that I can see what I'm working with. So when I'm done with this, then I will sort here. Can you guys see it? So I'm going to start here to know the clothes I want to keep and the ones that I don't want to keep. Then the ones I'm going to keep, I'm going to hang them. So that's kind of like what we're going to do now. So I'm going to have a YouTube video playing in the background while I'm going to have a YouTube video playing in the background while I just do it. So I'm going to make this a b-roll. Okay? So let's get into it. Oh, y'all can see me. I'm not gonna show you. Let's get into it. Section by section. So these are all the things that will go on hangers. Those ones I'm not sure if I'm going to keep. These are going to be folded, so that's kind of like how I want to walk through it. So I'm going to get some hangers now and hang this up, and then when I'm done, I don't know how to coordinate it, either by color. I think honestly I think I'm going to do by clothing, then by color. Hey guys, so that has been sorted, so I can now put the clothes in the wardrobe. I have some clothes that I have to haul for you guys in another video. So yeah, so I need to haul those. I'm sorry about the noise. I need to haul those clothes for you before I hang them up. So that's why Some of these ones are here, but for aesthetic purposes, let's just take them out. Guys, I was doing nothing Friday, Saturday. Don't know why I said to do this today. But these are what we got going on. So I want to put them in first before I start to sort them out, basically. Ah! They're very long clothes. Have black clothes here, then there's gray, then there's this one, then there's brown. So I kind of keep like patterns here. And if I have this long stuff here, I don't know if I'm going to be able to like keep stuff here, because the plans have them, you know, from very long to like short stuff, so I can still keep stuff here. But right now, this is what we've got going on. I will decide if I'm going to be what I want to do. Honestly, I'm indifferent about it being color coordinated, to be honest. Yeah, so I'll just go through other clothes and I will let you guys know what I decide later. Okay, so I want to start with this. I want to walk upwards, so I'm going to empty this out because I want to make this my random drawer and this my fitness drawer, random drawer. So let's sort this out now. So it's a while later, but this was everything that I was able to clear out from here and here. So these are clear for the most. No, they're all clear. This is the new junk drawer for fitness stuff and for loungewear. So, but I want to show you this part. I'll show you this tomorrow, I think, because there's literally like nothing in here right now. But I'm about to pack this up. This is everything that I need to throw away. Then for here, I just need to like sort them out and find a place for some of the stuff. I need to give this relaxer away. Yeah, I just need to find a place for some of the stuff. Yeah, that's it honestly for today. I'm really tired. I just want to clear this up so that I can be fine. Can you guys see me? Like, I am so tired. But I think the time right now is like, yeah, it's 9:46 p.m. so it's like really late. And I have to like just not get ready, decompress. I need to tidy up a bit because I have work tomorrow, obviously. So yeah, so there is not a public holiday, but on the 1st, that's on a Wednesday, I believe. I'm not going to the office. Wednesday, no, sorry, Thursday, Friday, I'm not going to the office. So if anything, I'm just going to continue this on those days. So I'll just see you guys when I pick this video back up, okay? Hey guys, so we are finally done with this place after like the 2 weeks. just have bags. So I just have like these two purses and my laptop bag. Then down here I have a perfume collection USA. I love everyone there. If you want me to do a perfumes video, let me know and you get one. I just have my books over here, jewelry situation over here. Here I just folded some clothes that I use for up here. Honestly, I ended up not color coordinating, arranging anything in any order. I just have pants here, I have blazers, I have shirts. Everything is just together. That's more practical for me. So I have this random thing here. I put my work gear here. Then here just has a bunch of clothes still. Then down there, I don't think anything much changed there. I just like removed old stuff down there. So for here, I put what's in here. I have the PJs and stuff just staying in here. Then I empty this out for workout stuff so that I can know to buy workout stuff. But this is the drawer for workout stuff. And then this one is the random drawer still. I don't think it will ever not be a random drawer, but okay. And yeah, that is basically everything.